Arby's, stand back and stand by. Your services are no longer required. I have been confirmed by independent fact checkers to be the new CEO of Stacking Animal Products. Is anybody surprised? Which would you rather find under your pillow? This or this? The choice is painfully clear. Painfully clear for Arby's, painlessly clear for me. Now, if you can't tell, this ain't your grandma's leather-wrapped handle. This is stacked leather, baby. Never heard of stacked leather? Cringe. Well, maybe you never heard of it, but I bet you've seen it before. This thing, this stuff like this, that's all stacked leather, and you're gonna learn how to do it today. Clearly, this video is mostly about the handles, so we're just gonna do a tasteful but quick and comfy montage of all the metal bits. But before we do, oh, okay. It's been a long process, not just the build, the years, it just kind of add up, and at this point I feel like I'm kind of just ready to tap and die. So I bought a whole entire set epically, 60 pieces, pretty cool. Gotta say, my favorite part about this whole thing is how I just opened this up and this part right here is already snapped in half. Not bad. It's actually pretty sweet because since it's broken in half, you can't actually use it. So... Wait a minute, that's bad. What the heck? Boo! 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 Frick off! Boo! Bro, that's freaking epic. Dude, that is the coolest thing I've seen in my life. That is freaking epic, dude. Test. All right, as far as I know, there's not like a special way you do this. You just make yourself a nice little gray blob. Oh, dude, Nibba's out there be saying, oh, my gray blobs are better than yours. Heck no, dude, mine are the grayest and the blobbiest. That seems like a lot. This looks like a juggalo's brain. I'm using JB Weld because it takes like 5 hours to set up, so you'll have like 5 hours to do this. Okay, see what we're working with. This can only either be epic or bra moment of the century. Ladies and gentlemen, we have what is known as an epic gamer moment. The seal between every single one of the layers is completely perfect. There's no gaps, there's no bubbles. For some odd reason, nothing has gone wrong. I've been carving this with a knife, kind of tough though, not gonna lie. So I think I'm gonna go Duresta mode, Duresta to A mode on this thing and actually carve it on the bandsaw. Well, I saw him do this one time, so if this totally screws it up, Jimmy Irisa to A is fully legally responsible. Well, as here we are again at the end of the build, finally, another one in the bag. All that's left is the final sharpening. A lot of YouTubers, actually, knife-making YouTubers, really pride themselves with their knives being scary sharp.
How to make a knife scary sharp in less than -3 seconds.
Well, here's my confession time. I actually don't even know how to tell when a knife is scary sharp. Because I'm not scared of anything. Oh, your knife is sharp and you're scared? What are you gonna cry? You gonna pee your pants, maybe poop, and come over to my house and tell me how scared you are? I want my knife to be sharp. I like it. I don't need to find a hideout like you. Oh. So I'm just gonna sharpen the knife as much as I can, and if any cowards out there, any little babies get scared, not my fault. So I'll start with a 120 grit belt. And then I'll move up to a 1000 grit belt. A polishing belt, really? Is that a booger? The frick? Well, hope I don't die. I'll go ahead and strop it on a piece of leather a few times. Then it should be, as the French say, pretty sharp. Oh, I'm gonna end this video with a little bit of philosophy. I know that's why most of you guys are here. What is the worst part about giving money to other people? You have less money after you do it. Just, man, why you gotta be like that? Wouldn't it just be great if there was a way that you could just give prosperity and success to somebody that you really care about a lot, and it wouldn't cost you a dime or a nickel or a penny? Just, that'd just be so nice. Ugh. Wait a minute, the like button.